Hi, and welcome to Where to Store Your Shoes in Your Home so that you can find them, wear them, and keep them organized with Allison. I'm Allison. So once you've finished decluttering your shoes, it's time to figure out where to store them so that you can grab them, use them, and put them away really easily. Number one, you do not actually have to store all of your shoes in one place. If you have, say, winter shoes you know you're not going to wear for a while, you can store them somewhere else other than where you're storing or keeping the shoes that you are wearing most often, and just keep changing them out as the season dictates. Most people tend to store the shoes they're actively wearing somewhere near the front door or in the garage. You can also store shoes in a closet or under the bed. In order to pick a spot that works really well for you in terms of where you want to hold your shoes, ask yourself these two questions. What space fits most or all of my shoes, and where is it easiest for me to grab and wear and put back those shoes? So you've decluttered your shoes and you only have the ones that support you, that you love, that you're excited to wear, that are surrounding you in your life. You've now located the place or places, depending on how many shoes you have, of where it's best to keep them. Now it's time to choose the right shoe organizational product or products so that you can keep these organized easily. And what you want to do to make sure you do this correctly is always merge form with function. We can do this in 4 easy steps. Step one, make sure that whatever product you're buying, it actually fits the space. If it's too big, it is going to just dwarf that whole area. You can do that by measuring the space so you'll know how large or how small that organizational product needs to be. Make sure whatever product you buy, it fits all of the shoes that you intend to store there. Because if it's too small, you're already going to be overflowing and you're going to really struggle to create a great organizational habit because you just don't have something that fits your needs. So make sure you measure and count before you buy that product. There are so many organizational products on the market today that it is super easy for you to find something that not only fits your budget, but looks nice so that it fits your decor, so that you're excited and motivated to use it. Because when you are, you're way more likely to use it. And when it's so butt ugly that you're like, ew, I don't even want to look at this, you're never going to use it. And you deserve a space that looks great and that motivates you to create the lifestyle habits that are going to help you get and stay organized, make you feel happier, make you feel healthier. So again, find something that you really enjoy and want to be able to use. You're worth it, and it's worth it. Organizing is not supposed to be hard. In fact, in my opinion, you should set it up so that a 2-year-old can figure it out pretty darn quickly, because the more that you tax your brain trying to figure out where something is, the less likely it is that it's working, the less likely it is that you're going to continue working it, and the less likely it is that you're going to have an enjoyable life. You do not deserve to do that. So really think about how, imagine yourself like coming home and throwing off your shoes. What's the way that you would find that it would be done the most easily, that's going to fit in the space that you have and it's going to look great? And that's your product. Thanks for watching. If you want more tips, like and follow.